New to investing? This is for you. Here are 3 steps you can start with, like today. So let's start with a big question. What if you invested $1,000 just once? Well, the answer is in something called the S&P 500. It tracks America's 500 biggest companies. We're talking about household names you definitely know. Think Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon.
Historically, this group returns, on average, somewhere between 8 and 10% a year.
So after 10 years, that $1,000, it could grow to around $2,600. That's right, your money more than doubled, and you literally didn't have to do a thing.
But, okay, this is where it gets really powerful. What if you add a little bit more? What if you added just $100 a month on top of that first 1,000? In 10 years, you wouldn't just have a couple thousand. You'd be looking at over $20,000.
This is all thanks to compound interest. It's your money earning its own money. It's amazing.
But you know what? Most people don't do this. They let their money sit, losing value to inflation. And this chart really shows it. Investing grows your money. Inflation just shrinks your savings.
Okay, so you see the potential, right? The big question is, how can you start today? It really just comes down to 3 simple steps. Start small, start right now, and just let time work. Because here's the key takeaway. Time is actually way more powerful than money. So time is your single greatest asset. The only question left is, how are you going to use it?